Is it on? Okay. So they say it's better to show than to tell, and that's why we're making a short movie out of the Seat Me. And well, I hope you enjoy it. And coming up, the movie about the Seat Me.